Hi friends, I am Shanthalakshmi, heading manufacturing right now at Elmeasure. I have around 25 plus years of experience in electronic industry, and as of now I completed 14 years in Elmeasure, running 15th year. When I joined here, my role was just as a service in charge, handling only 2 to 3 members. Now I am heading complete manufacturing, and 200 people are working under me. 14 years of experience, and plus still I would like to continue in Elmeasure because Elmeasure management team is a very great team of people, including employees. So they motivate each one of us and ensure that their individual growth is also good along with the company. There is a new changes in Elmeasure compared to 10 years ago is that we are more organized and professional in every aspect. The newcomers, new joiners who are new generation people. So even we want them to grow here and with the great opportunities. What sets apart Elmeasure from the rest of the competitor is that building extraordinary people, which is again mission of Elmeasure, which we are into that already. Key milestone is to be a part of achiever in Elmeasure's growth from 2009 to 2023, and we had a fabulous growth during COVID situation also. My sincere advice to new Elmeasure employees that rather than working hard, work smart, which they are already new generation, and you definitely have growth in Elmeasure, where if you perform, definitely you have a growth in Elmeasure. Hearty congratulations to entire Elmeasureans, management team, then customers and partners for completing successfully 19 years, and I wish a great success ahead to all.